Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add live chat box to your Shopify store. So to do this you will need an application which we need to install, and you want to search for it in Shopify App Store. Now this is the live chat. As you can see, free trial available, which means this will not be free, or maybe chatty, which is also free. So we can try this one and install it to our Shopify. Now you will see this enable app, and you're gonna click on it and you will be redirected to your store where you're gonna enable it. And as you can see, there's already a chat right here. And how can we help you? And basically here is your chat box on your store. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.